This is how the world's largest airplane is born.
The Airbus A380 appears in motion for the first time.
From the tarmac to the production line, witnessed the legendary A.
Let's start the journey of exploring the Airbus A380 manufacturing process from the very first steps at the factory. Workers begin inspecting and arranging the aircraft components meticulously, preparing for the next steps.
The main components of the aircraft are being assembled with precision. Every detail requires absolute accuracy. The quality inspection process begins, ensuring that all components meet the strictest standards.
The aircraft manufacturing process starts with bringing raw materials into the factory, beginning with metal and alloys.
The materials undergo strict inspection to ensure quality, durability, and compliance with the highest technical standards.
Composite materials are used to enhance the strength and reduce the weight of the aircraft.
Even the smallest details, such as seat upholstery, are meticulously inspected to ensure perfect quality. Advanced machinery cuts metal with high precision, creating the basic components for the aircraft.
Engine components are fabricated and tested to ensure they perform perfectly in the air.
Finally, all the components come together, forming a complete aircraft, ready for the next steps.
This is a crucial step in the Airbus A380 production line, where the fuselage frame is locked into position.
Each fuselage section of the Airbus A380 must be aligned with perfect precision.
Material durability testing is essential to ensure the Airbus A380's structural integrity.
The simulation highlights the stress concentration at the wing junction.
We should increase the stiffness of the composite layers in this area.
Rerunning the optimization now.
Heat treatment is a vital process to strengthen Airbus A380 metal components.
Every metal surface of the Airbus A380 receives anti-corrosion coating for long-term durability.
The Airbus A380 wing structure requires absolute precision during assembly.
To ensure aerodynamic efficiency, every composite edge of the A380 wing undergoes meticulous inspection by our team.
Flaps and slats are essential components for the Airbus A380's takeoff and landing stability.
Every electrical cable in the Airbus A380 must be arranged with strict precision for safety.
The Airbus A380 uses some of the most advanced avionics systems in the world.
The Airbus A380 cockpit integrates cutting-edge display technologies. Large multifunction LCD screens.
Every passenger seat in the Airbus A380 is engineered for maximum comfort.
The Airbus A380 cabin is assembled with premium interior standards.
Smart lighting systems create the signature ambiance of the Airbus A380 interior. Every interior detail inside the Airbus A380 is refined to deliver a perfect passenger experience.
The upper deck structure of the Airbus A380 requires reinforced framing due to its massive size.
Insulation materials are installed to ensure climate stability inside the Airbus A380 cabin.
The Airbus A380's complet ventilation system is fitted to regulate airflow throughout both decks.
Miles of wiring are integrated to power the Airbus A380's advanced systems.
Hydraulic lines for the Airbus A380 are installed to manage wing flaps, brakes, and landing gear.
The massive fuel system of the Airbus A380 must be assembled with exceptional accuracy.
The landing gear system of the Airbus A380 is one of the most complex in the aviation world.
Each Airbus A380 engine is prepared for integration with extreme precision.
The wing-to-body join is one of the largest and most critical assembly steps in Airbus A380 construction.
The Airbus A380 wing is bolted to the fuselage using reinforced aviation-grade fasteners.
The Airbus A380's dual-deck air circulation system is calibrated for optimal airflow.
The electrical backbone of the Airbus A380 is activated for the first full system diagnostic.
Initiating avionics test sequence 3.
Monitoring ECAM, looking good.
Confirmed, all parameters green, system operational.
Fiber optic networks inside the Airbus A380 are tested to ensure fast and stable data transmission.
Emergency systems of the Airbus A380 are validated, including oxygen masks and cabin pressure safety.
The Airbus A380's water and waste systems are installed to support long-haul flight operations.
The Airbus A380 cargo hold is fitted with advanced loading rail systems.
The Airbus A380's stair modules are installed to connect the main deck and upper deck. Cabin panels and wall sections are mounted to complete the Airbus A380 interior structure.
The Airbus A380 cabin begins to take shape as ceiling panels are installed across both decks.
The Airbus A380 lavatory units are installed as fully pre-assembled modules.
Galley kitchen units for the Airbus A380 are prepared and mounted for passenger service operations.
The Airbus A380's entertainment system wiring is integrated throughout the cabin.
Okay, the alignment is secure. Check the responsiveness. Swiping left, looks good. Diagnostics passed.
The Airbus A380's interior lighting undergoes calibration to achieve smooth ambient transitions.
Emergency lighting and floor path indicators are installed for Airbus A380 safety compliance.
Overhead storage bins are installed to complete the Airbus A380 cabin structure.
Make sure the gold lines match exactly here.
Yes, I'm adjusting it now.
The Airbus A380 exterior preparation begins with surface cleaning before painting.
The Airbus A380 fuselage undergoes masking and taping to prepare for paint application.
Primer coating is applied to protect the Airbus A380 from corrosion.
The Airbus A380 receives its iconic exterior colors in a multi-stage painting process.
Finishing paint layers are cured under controlled temperature conditions.
Detail inspection ensures every painted surface of the Airbus A380 meets quality standards. Maintenance markings and technical labels are applied across the Airbus A380.
The Airbus A380 begins its exterior lighting installation.
The Airbus A380 logo and branding decals are applied with precision.
The Airbus A380 enters the systems integration phase, where all onboard functions are linked together.
The Airbus A380's landing gear undergoes its first activation test.
The Airbus A380's control surfaces move for the first time during functional testing.
Lines connected, commencing fill sequence. Pressure steady at max differential. Cycle complete.
The Airbus A380 cabin pressure system undergoes sealed environment testing.
The emergency slide mechanisms of the Airbus A380 are inspected before certification.
This is the main deck, running a comms check on the upper level. How is the clarity?
Reading you 5 by fleet. Check complete. We have unstable responsiveness in the yaw control. Reroute command sequence 12 immediately.
The Airbus A380 navigation antennas are calibrated for signal accuracy.
The Airbus A380 enters the pre-engine test phase with all safety systems armed.
Low RPM ignition achieved. All parameters look nominal.
Phase 1 complete.
Engine diagnostics are performed to assess vibration, airflow, and thermal response.
Thrust level stable at 90%.
Acknowledged. Holding steady.
The Airbus A380 hydraulic systems are activated to test landing gear and steering behavior. All internal cabin systems are tested simultaneously to simulate full passenger operation.
The Airbus A380 undergoes a full structural vibration test on hydraulic shakers.
Brake systems of the Airbus A380 are tested under simulated runway loads.
The Airbus A380 fuel system is checked for leak integrity before certification.
Oxygen flow is nominal across all channels.
Sequence timing verified. System checks complete.
The Airbus A380 undergoes final wheel alignment before taxi testing.
Throttle levers cycled, detent set.
Flight controls, full and free. Rudder pedals checked.
Checklist complete, Captain.
The Airbus A380 undergoes its pre-departure inspection on the apron.
Fuel trucks approach to final fueling procedures for the Airbus A380. May station tech.
The Airbus A380 Doniden and hors doors are prepared for passenger boarding.
Welcome aboard the inaugural A380 service. It is a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you. The cabin is absolutely beautiful.
The Airbus A380 takes off gracefully and ascends into the sky, disappearing into the clouds.